kailangan mo mag-provide ng mas marami kumpara sa kanila. Ito guys, kaya ko rin pala sinasabi sa inyo na i-approach yung mga babae na madadali kasi women cannot love unconditionally because they are not. That's why there's a reason kung bakit ang babae nagpapabata. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Suplado Moto. Okay po tonight's vlog, let's talk about women cannot love us unconditionally. What? Ulitin ko, women cannot love you unconditionally. What? Guys, kung iniisip mo, she will love you unconditionally, no.
How dare you?
Ewan ko na rin yun na to sa dati kong vlog. Women love opportunistically and men love idealistically or romantically. Tayo yung kayang magbigay ng romantic relationship. Women can only love you based on the things that we can provide for them. Kaya nga guys, it's hard to get a date once na we cannot provide anything for them. Lagi mo tatandaan, hindi sasama sa iyo ang babae kung hindi ka nagpo-provide na kahit ano sa kanila. What? Regardless how much money you have, regardless how good looking you are, regardless how swag you are, tandaan mo, kung hindi mo natatouch ang emotions ng isang babae or if they don't feel comfortable going out with you, you will never even get a date. And always starts with arousing her emotions. We can attract them, but it doesn't mean we can arouse them. What? Okay? Okay, balik tayo. Women cannot love us unconditionally. It's because, ano ba hinahanap ng mga babae sa mga lalaki? Yung pinaka-reason why they commit sa isang lalaki. They always looking for security. Tama? So, nung unang panahon, nung hindi pa marunong magtrabaho ang mga kababaihan or wala silang options kundi maghanap ng lalaki na magtataguyod sa kanila, they need to find a guy na can give the security for them. Kaya nga, ang babae may options. Until now, hindi naman nagbago yun. Either they can work and pursue their dreams or find a guy that can give the life that they want. Pero make sure dapat she also beautiful and also providing value. That's why there's a reason kung bakit ang babae nagpapabata. Kasi men are more attracted with younger women. Yung mga things na hinahanap natin or mga traits na hinahanap natin, it is ingrained in our brain since the beginning of time. So, kung ang babae looking for security, do you think she can love us unconditionally? Paano kung wala kang trabaho? Do you think you have the chance? Maybe small percentage, but I don't think so. Kasi for sure may mga magko-comment na naman yun. May kakalala nga ako, walang trabaho pero may chicks. Bro, exception cannot be the rule. You know what I mean? Hindi porket yung kaibigan mo walang trabaho pero nakakuha ng chicks, hindi lahat ng kalalakihan kaya yon. Or hindi lahat ng kababaihan papatol sa ganun. Okay? Majority of women still find the guy na dapat may trabaho. Tandaan mo, may tatlo tayo dapat na binemaintain. Number 1, you should be physically attractive. Number 2, socially attractive. And number 3, you need to be economically attractive. Yung tatlo na yun ang kailangan na meron tayo in order for us to attract the woman. So, ang dami natin dapat gawin before we get a date. Kaya nga, if you mess up on the first date, sayang bro. Kasi ang dami mo nang naibuhos na oras effort di ba? Yung pagiging magaling mo sa babae, hindi naman, that's not just an overnight na parang, yung galing ko naman man-chicks. Hindi ganoon, or, yung galing ko na makipag-usap. Nung unang panahon na walang technology, ano yung pinaka the best way na to get a woman? Kahit nung unang panahon pa, walang ibang ginagawa ang tao noon kundi what? To approach or makipag-usap. So you need to fucking talk, bro. Kung hindi ka marunong makipag-usap, you cannot survive. Tandaan mo, we are looking for replication value. Sayang ang mga naipundar mo sa buhay mo. Sayang yung mga nakamit mo sa buhay mo kung hindi ka magkakaanak or hindi mo maipapasa yung lahi mo or hindi ka magkakaroon ng isang kagaya mo. Kaya nga, men are looking for replication value and women are looking for survival value. So, women cannot love unconditionally because they are not hardwired to do that or they are not designed to do that. They are designed to find the best guy. Kaya nga, women mostly initiate the breakup if they find you na hindi ka na ganon ka the best or hindi ka nila na nakikitaan ng potential. So, eto ang tanong, paano ko magiging the best? The only thing that you need to do is to maintain the attraction or to maintain her interest. How to maintain her interest? You need to be the leader of the relationship. Is it easy? No. Mas madaling sabihin kaysa gawin. Why? Because most of the time, we are, dictate also with our emotions. Ano ibig ko sabihin? Lahat ng tao, dinidiktahan ng emotions. However, tayo itong may kakayahan maging rational or maging logical, mag-isip. Kaya nga Brad, huwag mong alisin sa iyon na logical tayo mag-isip. Kasi kung lagi yung paiiralin ng emotions mo, walang mangyayari sa iyo and baka you may end up lonely. Tayo ang magiging leader ng relationship. So dapat marunong kang magpatakbo ng relationship. So dapat marunong kang kumontrol ng emotions mo. Alam mo kung kailan ka maiinis, alam mo kung kailan ka, I know there's a triggering factor, pero alam mo dapat kung paano mas maging aware sa nararamdaman mo. Gets mo? So balik tayo. So women cannot love us unconditionally. They can only love us on the things that we can provide for them. Kaya nga Brad, the more na mas maraming humahangal ng kalalakihan sa'yo, the more na mas attractive ka sa bawat kababaihan. If you can provide more, much better. Especially financially. If you can give a lifestyle for a woman, then much better. However, syempre, andun pa rin yun. Dapat, you should know how to maintain the attraction by being a leader of the relationship. So you cannot be a leader unless you know how to influence people. So you can only influence people if you know how to influence yourself. Ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Dapat simulan mo sa sarili mo. Walk the talk, Brad. Kailangan hindi ka puro salita. So dapat simulan mo sa sarili mo. That's the only way how you can influence people. Pag nakita nila, let's say for example, hindi ka nag-gym dati, ngayon nag-gym ka na, at nakita nila yung result, you can influence a lot of people. The way you talk. Okay? Yun yung pinakaunang-unang dapat mo matutunan, how to talk with people. Pero maraming subtle yan to find out if this woman is good for you or if this woman can go out with you. You can only see that pag marami ka na experience when it comes to talking to a lot of women. So kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo, try nyo makipag-usap kahit sa guard sa mall, mga sales lady sa mall. Umpisahan mo sa madadaling kausapin hanggang sa mag-level up ka. Hanggang sa nag-approach ka na ng babae na very attractive. Tandaan mo, ito guys, kaya ko rin pala sinasabi sa inyo na i-approach nyo yung mga babae na madadali kasi kailangan maging ganun yung mindset mo. Kasi ang hirap sa ating mga lalaki, pag alam mong very attractive yung babae, ang ginagawa nyo, na-overwhelm kayo eh. Hindi mo alam, gusto mong galingan. Ang nangyayari, hindi na siya authentic. Diba? Wala na doon yung authenticity. Kumpara sa pag kinakausap mo, yung babaeng hindi ganun ka-attractive. Pag di ganun ka-attractive yung babae, nag-ano ka ba na baka magkamali ako ng sasabihin na. Diba hindi mo iniisip yun? So dapat, ganun lang din ang trato mo sa babaeng attractive tsaka sa babaeng hindi ganun ka-attractive. Okay? So balik tayo. Women cannot love us unconditionally. They can only love us on the things that we can provide. Kaya nga, we need to provide more. Okay? So simulan mo na ngayon. Kung saan ka mahina, dapat alam mo kung saan ka mahina at dun ka magsimula. Kung alam mo tatanga-tanga ka makipag-usap, then you need to, sorry sir, tatanga-tanga. Grabe ka naman sir, sakit mo magsalita. Anyway, so guys, tayo dito, kung ano man yung mga sinasabi ko is, nakumbaga sa ating mga lalaki, we can bully each other, pero after that, wala na, di ba? I mean, asaran, kumbaga healthy na asaran. Kahit dati pa ganyan na. Kaso iniiba lang ngayon eh, kasi maraming, ewan ko, soy boy eh. Maraming imo-imo eh. Anyway, so andito tayo para kumbaga pagpatuloy natin yung magandang kinalakhan natin bilang Pilipino na kakaasara, pero andun yung alam mong respeto pa rin, 'di ba? Women cannot love us unconditionally. So lagi yung tatandaan yan. Kailangan mo mag-provide ng mas marami kumpara sa kanila. Women will not see you as a potential partner kung alam nila na yung binibigay mo is makikita niya rin sa ibang lalaki. Gets? Okay, so yun lang guys. Sana may natutunan kayo tonight. At sana pumasok lahat sa utak nyo. Kung hindi, magki-quiz pa kayo. LOL. Kaya guys, ulit-ulitin nyo lang. So yun lang guys. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time. Mga sublados. And bye-bye.